Hey everybody, welcome back and thanks for checking in. A few months ago over the summer, I did a video, the Juliet 3 versus the Vortex Micro magnifiers, 3-time magnifiers. And I've got a few requests from my subscribers, and guys, thank you for that. They wanted to see they wanted to know which magnifier I chose, and they wanted to see it on the rifle. So today's video, I'm going to bring that to you. I'm going to take out the AR. I'm going to set it up. I got a few different things on that AR that I built from ground up, and I'm going to bring to you that which micro magnifier I chose. I'm going to put it on. I'm going to have it on the rifle. You're going to see it with the optic, with the reflex sight that I have with it. And I'm going to show you the whole setup. All right, so stay tuned and let me set things up, and we're going to get this video popping. All right. All right, so here's the rifle. All done, 100%. Okay, the lower is PSA, Palmetto State. That flag here, that's a decal. That just simply pretty much sticks on. That's from Gunskins. This grip here is semi-vertical. I don't know where I got this from. I don't even know the name brand, but it's that mounts on there like that. M-LOK. Okay. The flashlight is, I think that's Feyachi. I got that on Amazon. That's a great flashlight. Has no laser, but it's a great flashlight, and it's just on and off, on and off. There's no modes. There's no, it's on, permanent on, constant on, and with the pressure switch, on and off, on and off. All right, I didn't want the 5 different modes with, strobe and high, low, medium. That's just a pain in the ass. The flip-up sights are from Tacticon Armament. Take a look at those there. All right, and this optic here, that's from CV Life. That actually has the laser on it. Oh yeah, there you go. You can see it. That has the laser on it. So though the flashlight don't have a laser, that has a laser, and that works pretty damn well. Okay. The optic here has 5 different settings, 5 different reticles. I'm not gonna go into details, but I did videos on all this stuff here, and I did videos on all this stuff here. If you just scroll down my page, you'll see everything that's on this gun. All right, the sling is S2 Delta sling, which is a nice sling. It has it's right here with this strap. You pull the strap and it's quick adjust. You make it longer, make it shorter. All you gotta do is pull the strap either one way or another, and it gets longer or shorter. That's from Delta 2. Yeah, S2Delta.com. All right. Now, those who follow know that nobody sponsors me. I'm doing this on my own strength. I bring this to you because something I like to do. All right. And the optic that I chose to answer the question everybody's looking for is the Juliet 3. All right. The reason why I chose the Juliet, it was cheaper, number one. And as you guys know, or those that do know, Rican is on a budget. All right. You press the button here. You press this button to flip it out of the way. You press the same button to put it into action. Okay. It's got the lens protectors on there. And I'm going to try to bring you with and without. Maybe I should change the camera and put it out into the woods there. Yeah, let me do that. All right. Hang on. All right. So I'm going to give it to you with the magnifier out of the way, and then I'm going to engage it, and you guys can see the difference. All right, so here's the There's the red dot, the whatever you want to call it. All right. And now I'm going to flip it over. And you can see, I'm going to try to bring it. There you go. So you can see the magnification there and the difference. All right, so it works really well. And I'm happy with it. You know, I take this thing in the yard and I shoot targets all day long. You know, ammunition provided. All right, so, and here it is again without. All right, so you can see the difference there. All right, it makes a great difference. I forget, 50 yards, 75 yards, something like that. But, and as I was saying, this thing has different settings. And this is from CV Life. You can do it red or green. It's got the laser, as I already said. All right, so I'm gonna take this back inside. We'll talk about it some more. All right. All right, so as I mentioned before, and those that follow the channel know that, or they should know by now, that nobody's sponsoring me. I'm doing all this on my own strength, all right? I built this rifle, you know, with my own money, piece by piece. Nobody sponsored me. Nobody sent me nothing to try out, okay? Everything on this gun, you can find in videos lower. Should I drop links? I'll try to drop links for everything here, all right? But, you know, I put a lot of rounds through this rifle, and nothing has failed me so far. All right, the battery lives are good and everything here, you know, and that's basically it. All right, so for those that requested to see the Juliet optic on the gun, the magnifier, there it is. All right, made by Sig Sauer. You can see here, it says Juliet 3 micro, right? It's a great magnifier. Highly recommend it. I think it was only about $200, and the other one was like $250. I don't know, I forget. But I'm gonna drop that video. I'm gonna drop a link in that video below, all right? Because the optic especially. All right, well, that's gonna conclude today's video. I try to keep it short. That'll conclude today's video. All right. I hope you like that video. You like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Every time I drop a video, you will get the heads up. All right. I hope you like these videos. I'll keep bringing them. You know what I'm saying? Until somebody starts sponsoring me, and even after somebody starts sponsoring me, I'm gonna keep pushing these videos out because I'm getting a lot of content, a lot of likes. I'm getting a lot of subscribers. You know, the channel is building, and that's what I'm trying to do. All right. So please, once again, like, subscribe, share, definitely comment. You know, leave a thumbs up. I appreciate that. Make a comment, and I answer all my comments. You know, so all right. Well, with that, this is going to conclude today's video. I want you guys to be safe, be strong, and be brave. I'm Old Rican 18, and I'm out. Peace.